Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Today we're going to look at that coolant issue on the 76 Firebird. Should be a lot of fun. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to take a look at all the casting numbers and the stampings in the block to help us determine what this engine came out of. It turns out it's out of a 68 GTO and it is a 400. But we're going to show you where the markings are on the engines. Basically all engines have these markings on them. You'll just have to know where they are, do a little research, try to find the locations of them for the different brands of engines and things like that. But the basic process is the same for all different manufacturers. So enjoy the video and I hope you learned something. Alright guys, we're going to try to identify this engine today. There should be some stampings right down there on the block that we're going to try to clean all the gunk off of to see if we can find them. Okay guys, one place where you can find identification markings on this block is right here. We're on the front passenger side of the block. Hopefully you can see a YS stamped into the block. That's one indication. The second indication is going to be on the very back of the block by the distributor. This is going to be really hard to see. Hopefully I can get the camera in there and you can see it.
Hopefully you can see that there. It's K287 indicating, I believe K is November, and then the 28th day of 1967. The last place we're going to look is on the rear passenger side of the block. There will be a casting number stamped in. I'm hoping you can see that. It's 9790071.
Alright guys, today we're going to address that leak that we had that I showed you last time with the coolant leaking out. And what it is where the timing chain cover bolts onto the block, that gasket is leaking. So we're going to go ahead and replace that today. So enjoy. This one?
Yeah.
I mean, it could be.
You notice that bolt's not moving when I move the pump?
Which one's that?
That bolt's not moving when I move the pump. See me moving the pump?
Yeah, that one is.
I'm sorry, I'm the same way you are. I remember them just being... There's one in the back I always forgot. I remember that.
Yeah, that was fairly loose.
Yeah.
I really don't think.
Just looking at the pivot here. See, does it have a notch in the back? No. So technically it should be able to pivot if that's it.
That's a stud though.
Right,
So,
right. You wouldn't think.
I wonder if it's we got the water pump and timing chain cover off. It was pretty crusty in there, but it's coming along. I'll show you what it looked like inside the cover. Not really good. That's been leaking a while. Hey guys, I want to show you what's going on with this water pump on the Firebird. I pulled this off and everything looks okay on the actual water pump itself. I don't see any issues there. When I look at the plate that goes between the two, I found this chunk of metal laying in there, and then the back of this is rotted away. It's all corroded,
and the little gaskets in here are not in the best shape. When you tilt this up and look at it, you can see all the crud in it. You can see there's a hole right there. So we're gonna have to, I ordered a new housing for this already. I found the part number on the housing and I got another one ordered. And I've got another one of these plates ordered. And I've got a new water pump ordered. This one doesn't seem bad, but I'm not going to put it on if I'm getting this far into it. So just wanted to give you an update on what was going on with that so you could see it. If we turn this around, you can see these connections don't look very good at all. You know, they're in pretty rough shape. There's some stuff worn away there, rotted away. So we're going to just go ahead and make this new, and we're going to do it right. So. Alright guys, we just got a package in, and what I believe this is the timing chain cover for the Formula. So let's open it up, take a look. I actually found a brand new one, you know, kind of like an old stock piece. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Nice. Oh yeah, this is a super nice piece. It's got the correct casting number on it. It's in great shape. Should be, it's new. But this should work really well on the car. I'm excited to put it on. Now as soon as the rest of the pieces come in, we'll put this back together. I got these pieces ordered. I got the metal plate that goes over here ordered. They're coming right from Pontiac. I could actually still get those parts new from them. So this is exciting. I'm a guy who likes to put things back together in a quality manner. I have nothing against used parts, but I was struggling to find some really nice used parts, especially for the price I paid on this. This was the way to go on this one. So stay tuned, and we'll continue to work on this. Figured I'd show you all this car. It's a 1964 Chevy Nova. The gentleman that owns this car bought this used in 1965. He's driven the heck out of it. It's got 424,000 miles on it right now. It's even got air conditioning in it. Definitely not a power machine, but it gets the job done. He still drives this car every day. Take a look at some casting numbers. We know this engine came out of a 68 GOT.
GTO. This job was actually a lot of work. It actually took close to 8 hours, 8 hours to do. Ugh, it was a pain. We're going to take a look at the date code on the block, and then also we can find some other stuff on it.